Hi guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change username in Canva apps. So as you can see here, I've already opened the Canva apps on my phone, and if you want to find out how to change the username on Canva, just watch this video until the end. Okay, so when you open the Canva, if you want to change the username, just go to the menu option at the bottom, and then here you'll find the username that you're currently using, this one right here. Just click on the arrow down right here and go to the account settings. Okay, just wait, and here at the settings, just click on your account, and then here you'll find the name that you currently use. If you want to change it, just click on edit, and here type in the name that you want to change it into. For example, first one, and when you're done, just click on save, and just like that, the username has been changed. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.